Boom, da 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 da. Happy what in this life can I say it to you? What is up, people? What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? What's up, kiddo? So nice. Kids, bro, so cute. Ah, man. So what's up? It's been a while. It's been a while since I do this type of video. I don't usually talk to the camera, but I think this one is worth mentioning. That's a nice boogie. Well, this is red, but I guess I can cross here. Yep, sorry. Alright, guys, so, well, basically, I wanted to show you, kind of make a quick video, and talk about the Quickshifter. Quickshifters in bike. Oh my god, right? Everybody wants a Quickshifter. Everybody wants to, you know, hit first, second, third, fourth, fifth, all in a row, without having any delay on the gearing gauge, and you know, just go, just chill, man. But the truth is that Quickshifter is for lazy people, man. Honestly, I was thinking some time ago to purchase one, but I actually mentioned it to my dad, and my dad is like, he's a biker since forever. So I kind of asked him as an advice, hey, you know, should I get a Quickshifter? But it's like 250 euros. Well, here in Europe, at least, the ones that I was looking is like 250 euros, 300. I don't want to spend that much money on the bike, you know. So he was like, son, are you dumb or what? He told me like, hey, you know that you don't need a Quickshifter, right? You could just shift gears up and down. You can upshift or downshift with no Quickshifter. And I was like, no shit, teach me how. So I've been doing it like that since I have my bike, which is this one, which is also my first bike. And man, it's as simple as this. It is super simple, and I will show you in a bit. So, no Quickshifter. That's it. Easy. No 300 plus euros on my bike. Just like that, man. Right, so how to do it? Well, let's say you want to upshift from third to fourth. I just have to let go of the gas, and as soon as I let go of the gas, then I put the gear on. Alright, I want to downshift. Well, the contrary. I give it some gas, then let go, and as soon as I give it some gas, I downshift. Alright? So honestly, it takes a bit to get easy. Like, probably you're not gonna get it at first, and you're gonna mess up. What you don't want to do for sure, it's fuck up your bike. That's for sure what you don't want to do. So yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, so I'm in fourth gear. Give it gas, let go, put the gear in. As soon as I let go the throttle, I put the gear in. You want to downshift, you give it gas. That's it. So I mean, this was a super simple explanation, but this is just to show you that you don't need to spend what, $300, $200, whatever, euros, whatever currency it is, on a Quickshifter, when you can just, you know, upshift, give it throttle, as soon as you let go, you put the gear in with your foot, and then you accelerate again. You pick up the revs again, okay? One thing I was going to mention is that I like, I don't usually do this when I'm in low revs, you know. I just do it when I'm like from mid to high revs. It is just something, I don't know if it's like the right way to do it or anything. It's just that for me it's more satisfactory, and I don't know, it's more common for me to do it at mid or high revs. Actually, when I commute, I barely do it. It's just when I'm like, you know, riding and giving it a go and, you know, enjoying a bit, having fun. But yeah, people from YouTube, viewers, I think this was it. I just wanted to make a quick video on, you know, how to downshift, upshift, and why you don't need a Quickshifter, even though I might someday probably end up buying it because I'm lazy and I don't know, I just want to spend more money on my bike. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.